Missing values. When you already know the mean and you need to find the value, follow these steps. So step 1 will be to multiply the mean and the total number of samples. Step 2 will be to add the numbers of each of the samples together. And then lastly, we're going to subtract the second number from the first number. So let's go ahead and look at an example. Example 1. What should the sixth number reading be to keep a mean value of 52? With the following temperature readings of 56, 48, 51, 46, and 55. So our first step will be to take the mean value already and multiply by the total number of values. So that's 6. So let's get our calculators out. We have 52 times 6, which is equal to 312. Step 2 will be to add up all these numbers together. We can get our calculators out. So when we add up all the 5 numbers together, we get 256. So our last step then to get our sixth temperature reading will be to subtract this 256 from 312. And we get the answer of 56 degrees for our sixth value. So let's go look at another example. Example 2. What should the fifth number be to keep a mean value of 4? So our step 1, we have a mean value of 4, and we have 5 numbers. So we're going to go ahead and multiply, and we're going to get 20. Step 2 is to add up the 4 numbers together. So 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 3 is 14. Then we'll just subtract that 1, and then we're going to get 13. So step 3 is to go 20 minus 13, and that will get us to our fifth number, what we need to get to keep a mean value of 4, which is 7. So that would be our solution to this problem. So let's do one final example. Example 3. What should the fourth temperature reading be to keep a mean value of 75? So step 1, we're going to go 75 times 4, which gets us to 300. Step 2, we're going to add up all the numbers together. So we have 71 plus 76 plus 78, which is equal to 225. So step 3 is to go 300 minus 225 to get us to our fourth temperature reading. And we get 75, fourth temperature reading that we would have to get. And if you're ever unsure if you got the right answer, what you do is you take this fourth reading and then you can add it to these first 3 and then see what you get. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 71 plus 76 plus 78 plus 75, and we get 300. And then we have 4 readings, so we're going to divide by 4. And we get 75, which is the mean that we want to get. So we know we got the right solution.